Welcome to Acquire Facts. In this video, we will dive into the exciting world of vector art and explore the essential steps to get you started on your creative journey. Whether you are a beginner or an aspiring artist looking to improve your skills, this guide will walk you through the process of creating stunning vector illustrations on your PC or mobile device. Step 1. Decide what to create and choose your platform. Before diving into vector art, it's essential to have a clear idea of what you want to create. Decide on the subject matter, style, and purpose of your artwork. Additionally, choose the platform you are most comfortable with, whether it's working on a PC with graphic design software or vector art apps on your mobile device. Step 2. Select the right software. The next crucial step is choosing the right software for your vector art creation. There are various options available, catering to different skills levels and budgets. Some popular choices for PC include Adobe Illustrator, CorelDRAW, and Inkscape. For mobile users, applications like Adobe Illustrator Draw, Sketchbook, Ibis Pentex, Affinity Designer, which offers powerful vector art tools. Step 3. Explore YouTube channels for inspiration and tutorials. YouTube is a goldmine of resources for aspiring vector artists. Look for channels that provide inspiration and valuable tutorials on using your chosen software efficiently. Some well-known channels include Hammad Aslam, MidasMultimedia, and Mayam Illustrator. Subscribe to these channels to stay updated with the latest tips, tricks, and trends in vector art. Step 4. Learn tracing or create original artwork. Once you have familiarized yourself with the software, it's time to start creating. As a beginner, you might find it helpful to start by tracing existing images. Tracing can help you understand shapes, lines, and techniques. As you gain confidence, challenge yourself to create original artwork from scratch. Experiment with different styles and themes to find your unique artistic voice. Step 5. Invest in an art pad, or you can say graphics tablet. If you find it challenging to create vector art using a mouse, consider investing in an art pad or graphics tablet. These devices allow for more natural and precise drawing, making the creation process much more enjoyable. While a mouse can be used for simple designs, an art pad offers a more professional and efficient workflow. Starting with vector art can be an exciting and rewarding experience. Remember that practice and patience are the key to improve your skills. Explore various techniques, seek inspiration from other artists, and don't be afraid to experiment. With dedication and passion, you will soon be creating impressive vector artwork to share with the world. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Acquire Facts for more helpful content on mastering vector art. Happy creating!